It's all about pose detection. It's really difficult to implement it in Unity or other game engines, and now it's possible with a single press of a button. Just think about it. You're making a game, you just want to throw real punches, or even do something with your hand and detect gestures. I don't know, make a wave or select a button with your hand. Or you even might want to make a gym application, a fitness application that counts the movement or just corrects them. And then have all this on different platforms. Android, Windows, well, it is all possible. Alright, stop dreaming and let's see how this works.
To get us started, just install the dependencies and import the package. By the time the package is installed, you can see the files of the package and the contents inside of it. There's the README file. We're going to create an empty game object, name it a pose detection system. And inside of that game object, we're going to add the pose detection controller script. And inside of it, we can see that we have an auto setup components button. We can see the missing components, and if you press the auto setup, everything gets set up automatically and our pose detection system is ready to go. Inside of our pose detection visualizer, we can see the missing materials and we can add the line and the key point material so we can fix that. There is also a prefab that is ready to use that you can just add it to your scene with the prefab having the material and the model set up. If you want to set up the model manually, there is the pose Inference Engine, and you can just set the model asset to any model of YOLO or the COCO key point systems you want. We can see that we have many options, and one of the options is our input type, which is real-time and video file. For video file, we can just add videos to our playlist and they will get processed after we run our application. We can see our example scenes here. We have real-time and video inputs, and inside of that, I'm going to save this. Inside of the video input, we can see that we have our input type as video, and inside of the real-time one, we can see it's on webcam. There is one more example scene, which is the squat counter. It's a scene that I set up and a script I wrote using this package. We can see that there is a squat counter script that will help us to count the squats using the package. We have the key points with different types of body parts, and we have some angles for the squat counting system. We can see our setup for the pose controller and its components. We just have a video in our folders. It's called squat.mp4. We added it and we're just going to run the project. I'm going to open a console and you will see that everything will be working just fine. We can see the angles change and the squats being counted. So we can see if the user is going down and when it is going up, and then count the squats. And if it replays, it will count the squat up because we hit the loop option in our video input. And that is how easy it is to use this package.